Next one up, a BMW R9T Dakar replica. I've not done one of these before. I've not even seen one of these. Lovely looking bike. This has got a trick exhaust on it. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets, including the XCP corrosion protection. So we're going to get all this minted up, get all these wheels all minted. I will mirror polish all this exhaust up. Just remove that little bash guard there. So we'll polish up all that exhaust. Do our little bit on all these disc calipers, etc. It's got a few bits that are starting to go rusty, so we'll get a good old coating of XCP corrosion protection on it. Do a little single stage polish on these panels. It's got some melted stuff on this exhaust, so we'll get all that off of there. Get it looking like it should. Get some protection on it, and then we'll on to the next one. Okay, just cracking on with this BMW R9T Dakar replica. Just done the XCP corrosion protection, misted it all over the motor, your wheels, spokes, etc. Going to wipe off all the excess, and then we're going to crack on with a bit of detailing. I'm going to polish this, mirror polish up all this exhaust again, all up underneath there, lovely exhaust. And then we're going to do a two-stage machine polish on this tank. Got a couple of blemishes here and there, nothing serious. Same with the mudguard and the headlight cover. And then this will be done. Get it delivered this weekend and on to the next. On to the final stage of this BMW R9T. Time to do a bit of paint correcting. It's got a few blemishes on this paint work. It's a lovely tank. We use the Cartec 3000 to start off with, and then we'll finish with the 9000. Like I said, it's not bad, this tank. It's got a few little marks. Good old white will show every little mark. So we use a green pad. Green. That's what we'll start with, just to... Right, the two-stage machine polish is now complete. Just to remove a few imperfections. Had a couple of marks on the mudguard here and on the headlight cover. So now we are going to prep it to make sure to remove any waxes or contaminants. We use the Cartec panel spray, a bit of like an alcohol mixture. Spray a bit on a rag, wipe it all over all the body panels, like I said, just to make sure to remove any contaminants, any oils left over from the wax. Oh, gloss on this is absolutely gleaming. It's a mammoth of a tank. Now we're going to lay down some special sauce. We're going to use the Ultimaxx on this one. So, get you a nice little cotton pad. Doesn't take much, a few little drops. Goes a long way. Should make it nice and easy to keep clean in the future, removing bugs, things like that. So we'll let that cure for a minute and then we'll give it a good buff off. Okay, so all the panels have now been covered. We just give it a couple of minutes just to wait for it to start flashing. It's got quite a breeze in here with the fans blowing, so we'll just wait for it to flash a bit and then we will buff all that off with a clean microfiber, and this BMW is done. Right, there you go, 3 hours on the dot. This BMW R9T Dakar replica has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. You've been following along, you know what we've done to this. This has had the works on it, including the Ultimaxx ceramic 2-stage machine polish. Look at the gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. All the wheels have NXCP corrosion protection, all the spokes, all your caliper bolts, banjo bolts, anything I think might corrode has all been covered, all up underneath the subframe. 3 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963. Ready for delivery. My little home away from home.